Hey there! Today, we're diving into a tricky problem that you might encounter when upgrading importlib_meta from version 8.4.0 to 8.5.0. So, let's tackle this issue head-on, shall we? The *** problem ** arises when starting the development server with python-manage.py run server. An error crops up due to a recent commit in importlib_meta, leading to a type error, unhashable type, types.SimpleNamespace. This error stems from a change that introduces a types.SimpleNamespace object into sys.modules.compat.overlay.zip file, causing a hiccup in the system. Now let's delve into the ** solution ***. The problematic commit adds a types.SimpleNamespace object to sys.modules, disrupting the hashability requirement of that functools.dROOOze_cache. The presence of unhashable types like simple namespace leads to an error when attempting to cache results, resulting in the traceback experienced while running the server. Continuing with the ** solution ***. The issue lies in Django's handling of monkeypatched objects within sys.modules. The error surfaces from the **modules_ and _ files function's inability to handle the zip file equals types.SimpleNamespace entry in modules, which violates the hashable criteria set by at functools.dROOOze_cache. To wrap it up, the root of the problem lies in the clash between types.SimpleNamespace and the hashability requirement, creating a hurdle that triggers the type error. By recognizing this conflict and its impact on caching mechanisms, the error could be effectively addressed. And with that, we've dissected the error and its solution. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!